If you have ever opened a new chat in Claude and had to re-explain everything from scratch, this video is going to fix that for you. Today on Claude AI Unlock, I am breaking down Claude projects, what they are, how they work, and how to set them up, so Claude remembers everything you needed to remember every single time. Let's start with the problem. By default, Claude has no memory between conversations. You close a chat, start a new one, and Claude is starting from zero. It does not know your name, your business, your tone, your preferences, or anything you told it last time. You are reintroducing yourself every single session. Projects solve this. So what exactly is a Claude project? A project is a dedicated workspace inside Claude, where your instructions, your files, and your context persist across every conversation inside it. You create a project once, set it up the way you want, and every new chat you start inside that project opens with all of that context already loaded. Think of it as giving Claude a permanent briefing document for specific areas of your life or work. Here is how to set one up. Step 1. Create your project. In Claude, look for the Project section in the left sidebar. Click New Project. Give it a name that matches what you're using it for. Freelance clients, content creation, personal finances, business operations. Whatever applies to you. Step 2. Write your project instructions. This is the most important part. Project instructions are a permanent system prompt that Claude reads at the start of every single conversation in that project. Tell Claude who you are, what you do, what you need, and how you want it to respond. Here's an example for a content creator. I run a YouTube channel about Claude AI for beginners and intermediate users. My tone is conversational, energetic, and beginner-friendly. I need scripts for videos, platform captions for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and occasional strategy help. Keep responses clear and direct. Never use jargon unless you explain it. That is it. Claude now knows your entire context before you even type a word. Step 3. Upload your reference files. Claude projects let you upload documents that live permanently inside the project and are available in every chat. A style guide, a brand document, a product catalog, a client brief, a content calendar. Anything you find yourself pasting into Claude over and over again can live in the project instead. Now Claude has that information ready without you having to supply it every time. Step 4. Organize by use case, not by topic. This is where most people get it wrong. They create one giant project and stuff everything into it. That dilutes the context and makes Claude less focused. Instead, build separate projects for separate workflows. One for client work, one for content, one for personal projects. When you open the right project, Claude is already thinking inside that world. And here is the real power move. Project instructions are living documents. As your work evolves, you update them. You add new preferences. You remove things that changed. The better you maintain your projects, the more effective Claude gets for you over time. Quick recap. Create your project and name it. Write clear project instructions. Upload your key reference files. And organize by workflow, not topic. If you do those 4 things, you are no longer starting from scratch every single session. Claude knows your world before you even say hello. Subscribe to Claude AI Unlock for daily tips, tricks, and real-world Claude AI workflows. See you tomorrow.